In the synopsis continuation, we got earlier one mean value theorem. We have got two mean value theorems. One is role, and second one Lagrange's. Lagrange's mean value. Rolle's mean value, what is the statement? Fx is such that first continuous closed AB, differentiable open AB, f of A and f of B equal. Then we can say that there exists C in AB. What is meaning? A less than C less than B, such that slope of tangent is 0 parallel to x-axis. Chord is parallel to x-axis. Chord tangent to both parallel to x-axis. Like that there can be any number of C values. Then we got that diagrammatic either like this or curve can be any one in this way, parallel. But if they are not equal, suppose chord is not parallel, note, now we are going for failure. If chord AB, what is that chord AB? This one, where x x coordinate A, y coordinate f of A, x coordinate B, y coordinate f of A up A equal, that is why chord parallel. If this chord AB is not parallel to x-axis, that is f of A not equal to f of B, we are not eligible for Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem failed. Not possible. You cannot find C for that reason. Once you are failed in the above, don't ask for C. That is the reason the failure of Rolle's. Failure of Rolle's is the development from the scientist Lagrange. He is a very good scientist. He developed many things in calculus. So is the introduction of this failure is the introduction for LMBT. In that FA and FB not necessary, not equal. We need not consider only. Now we are writing what is the LMBT statement. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Here, first continuity, otherwise we will not start chapter only. Common. Because it is continuous, differentiable also very compulsory it is there. Leave about these three. Okay? The difference between Rolle's and mean value, Lagrange's. First one as it is. Continuous. Differentiable. Next. Directly. FA equal to FB, leave it. We go directly. They like this. A real number C in AB. Actually, all not necessary. That is what is inequality. A less than such that chord AB is parallel to tangent. They are parallel. here is also parallel. Cardioid tangent to parallel, but parallel to x-axis. Now not necessary. They are parallel, but not parallel to x-axis. This is what the very useful and guarantee in our first CET exam. This one they will ask. In mains they will ask you find C value for which Lagrange is satisfied. When Lagrange is satisfied, what is that C value? That C must be in the given interval. Suppose C does not belong to interval, therefore not satisfied. We cannot say failure. That problem is not happy with the Lagrange. That much only. We can say Lagrange is not supporting that problem. That much only. But it is true. Like that, extension is there still, but we will stop here for that reason. What is geometric? Very useful here. Consider any curve going so on. Okay. You take 2 points A and B. A whose x coordinate A, then there corresponds y coordinate f of A. Compulsory, otherwise it is not continuous. The meaning of continuity exactly matching that. For every x there exists y continuity. That quotation, for every element in domain there exists element in codomain. What is that? Functions, 1-1 function definition. Okay? Continuity implies 1-1. Differentiability also 1-1. Onto implies inverse exist. There are so many interlinking. Okay? As per Main's theory, a 1-1 function is definitely a continuous function. Continuous function not necessarily 1-1. Okay? Suddenly, sometimes extra properties we are getting, therefore we will count. So I gave you one point A on the curve, whose x coordinate to y coordinate. Then you know here what is A coordinate? A comma f of A. Now consider another point. Another point. Unnecessary wasting. Okay. A I write here. A comma f of A. Select B is another point whose x coordinate is B. There corresponds y coordinate f of B. Then what is B coordinate? D f of D. Very clear, they are not equal. Now join the card AB. In this interval, you see exactly in this interval, somewhere C. If you calculate where is this C exactly, if you draw the line, therefore, here, tangent if you draw, this is exactly parallel like this. Here you are getting C. See, this is your point C, which belongs to interval AB in between. Okay. Here, we know how to find slope of tangent in this chapter, calculus, derivative. At that point, f dash x represents the slope of m. This is m. Then, from coordinate geometry, x1, y1, x2, y2. Then what is slope of line joining 2 points? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is slope of AB. This is slope of tangent. When we say two lines are parallel, slopes equal. Therefore, AB equal to tangent. This must be definitely equal to. That is geometric interpretation of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Like that, card AB can be anywhere on the curve, not only here. You draw here, 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 anywhere. Okay. There exists exactly one value of C. That is why I didn't write at least. At least impossible. One line parallel to this, only one tangent is possible. You get another C here parallel or not parallel. That is the smallest difference in the concept. Rolls will give you so many C values. Lagrange's will give one C value. Not many, at least not there. Okay? So these are all slight variations and the difference between Rolls and Lagrange's. So they are equal. Now they are not parallel to tangent. Suppose if you see C is a point outside AB, somewhere, not in the interval, outside AB, tangent is found, not parallel. That is called Lagrange's is not satisfied for a given function. Okay, that is what. With all this, what is our intention is now, they will definitely give you problem from one function they will give. Either Rolls or Lagrange's, every year they have to give only. Because two are only there, compulsory they have to give. Little bit difficult in the sense some calculations required, they will go for this. To this Lagrange's, we will do immediate one example. Okay, then it will be perfect. Concept is clear. We take that assignment problem only continuation. We will start after this anyway problems. But one point we have to write after this problem. For this theorem, now I start that number 7 assignment, first problem. In the mean value theorem, he will not tell you Rolls to Lagrange is not necessary. As per statement, we have to understand. In the mean value theorem, f of b minus f of a by b minus a is equal to f dash c for the following function where fx is x minus 1, x minus 2. What is c value? Okay, a is 0, b is half. What is interval given a, b? 0, 1 by 2 is interval. You have to get the c value in this interval only. Not anywhere some blindly you are getting an hence proved not possible. Suddenly, you should find out c in the interval only. Answer also in ABCD that c value must be between 0 and half. This is about one problem for. Suppose if you consider this polynomial before derivative, directly multiply, easy find derivative, sir. X square into x square minus 3x plus 2. Multiplication. X cube 3x square 2x. What is f dash x? 3x square 6x plus 2. Then what is f dash c? 3c square plus 2. But this must be equal to what is f of a first? Means f of 0. A is given 0. Equal to 0. 0 to anything. What is f of b here? B is given half. 1 by 8. Here I will write instead of that. This one. If you take half minus half. Half minus 4, half minus 2, minus 3 by 2. Total on the whole 3 by 8. Okay. From this statement, FB minus FA. Consider FB minus FA. B minus A. Simplification. These are all simple algebra only, difficult nothing. Okay. What is FB value? 3 by 8. FA value 0. B minus A value half minus 0. 3 by 8 into 2. Now equating these two. 3c square minus 6c plus 2 is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, 3c square 5 by 4. 12c square 24. 5 quadratic equation. No factors. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then calculation. 24 plus or minus 576, 240, 236. Okay. Correct. 236. Total by 24. 236, which is possible. 4. 59. Root 59 by 24. Okay. This is about 2 cancel 12 plus or minus root 59 by 12. 59 further what possible? Answer. Left over. Okay, we cannot help. This is for root 59 is how much nearly? Suppose it is above 50, above 50. 7. It lies between 7 and 8. Okay. Suppose if this is 7 also, 12 plus 7, 19 by 12 is more than 1. We want less than 1 by 2. It must be definitely minus 10. 12 minus 7 is less than. Hence answer must be, this must be the value. Still he is simplified. Okay. Take this separate the denominator. He is writing 1 minus root 59 by 12. But 12 is not there. Denominator. You check with the denominator 6 he is getting. 1 minus is correct. C must be correct. Okay. So check any calculation or else here. This is our answer. Root 59, 4 possible or not possible? Not possible. Correct. Okay? This is value. Everything is matching. Complete. This is about the Lagrange mean value theorem, how to check. Next is one property left over in the synopsis. After that we will continue problems. Anyway, this is first problem only. We will continue. One is left over. What is that left over in maximum minimum? That is also. Already we wrote about maximum minimum. Okay. This maximum minimum or maximum is also called relative maximum. Sometimes they will change the title. Minimum pay is also called relative minimum. relative maximum, relative minimum. But without any interval, if maximum or minimum exists in the closed interval AB, then that value is called absolute, ABS, absolute maximum, absolute minimum. But there is working rule for this. Okay, we will write working rule now. Only title is different, but there is a difference while doing solution. When you read the statement, find maximum or minimum without interval. Okay, maximum minimum as usual. First derivative test equating to 0, second derivative positive, minimum, negative, maximum, like that we decide. In the case of interval, now we are writing to find absolute maximum or absolute minimum in the interval AB. Given function is y equal to f of x. First step, find stationary points or stationary values. What is that? F dash x equal to 0. First, equating to 0. F dash x equal to 0 for x equal to C comma D. Suppose you got two answers, stationary. If the interval not there, you are simply finding second derivative, positive, negative, verify a decision, conclusion over. But interval is given, continue as it is, second derivative. Okay. What is second derivative? F double dash C comma F double dash of D. Positive or negative, definitely they are not 0. Okay, if they are 0, you cannot continue theory, failure. But maximum problems you will get positive, negative only. Positive. Now list out means list all the values. What are the values? Write down in the problem. You got x value C comma D implies they definitely lie between AB only, not outside in the interval. It is like this: A less than C less than D less than B. They are in the interval, right? Now you have to list out all y coordinates. Y coordinates, what are the y coordinates everywhere? F of A, F of C, F of D and B. All you have to find. Compulsory. Okay. If interval not there, we are finishing here only. Now interval is given, you have to find all, not only stationary values here, end values also you have to find. These are all y coordinates. Out of the four, one is least, one is greatest. Okay. Now we are giving conclusion. Least among all the above is absolute minimum, and the greatest is absolute maximum. In this case, title not necessary. Absolute maximum is maximum only, absolute minimum is minimum only. Okay, so you have like that. Okay, now you see in the answers they will not ask you absolute minimum. In brackets I am writing minimum. treated to be simply maximum. They did not use, already you are doing in interval only. So they are also treated to be maximum minimum. That is why very dangerous concept. Slight variation will go for entire wrong answers. You need not to mention absolute minimum in this case. Already you are discussing in the interval only. So suddenly they can give minimum maximum only. Okay. With this theory, one problem we select. Okay. Third problem. We will do third problem. After that we will do second problem. Right? This chapter particularly, very slowly how to develop. Very fast I apply formula and hence answer next time getting. No. Your presence is important. You are not important. Okay. This chapter, when you read the question, read it 2-3 times until you get complete picture in the mind, then you start doing. Blindly you cannot read and then you put the answer. That is not the case. This is third level problem. Some solution. Permutation combination of functions to this chapter. Okay. Now you see third model. The tangent to the curve given x cube 6x square 9x plus 4 where x lies between 0 5 danger interval is given has maximum slope. It has maximum slope. Okay. Slope is maximum. Interval. What is interval here? Closed interval 0, 5. At x equal to. So he is asking what is that x value. ABCD numbers anyway 1, 2, 3, 4 we will see. First find out what is the slope m is equal to 3x square 12x 9. This is slope. But this m must be maximum. When we say a function has maximum or minimum, its derivative must be 0. For m to have maximum or minimum, m dash must be 0. M is a function here, g of x. Okay? M is a function. M dash 0. What is m dash here? 6x minus 12. What is imply x value? Is that x value strictly belongs to interval? That is why we are happy to continue. If this is not in the interval, no maximum minimum. Outside. Okay? Not possible. Definitely we will get. It is in the interval. So at x equal to 2, definitely you say that it has maximum. He is only telling maximum only. You have to get maximum. You can also check. Find second derivative. What is second derivative? M double dash 6 positive independent of x. For all x it has maximum value only. Okay. M dash 6 means minimum. For all x it has minimum value. He is asking maximum value now. Now you see. Consider this x equal to 2 here. C comma D I wrote one answer you got 2. Correct. What are the values here because of interval? Calculate f of 0, comma f of 5, comma f of 2. All these y values. You have to list out. Okay. Now what is f of 0? F of 0 is equal to 4. F of 5, 1 to 5. 6 into 25, 150. 5 into 9, 45. Plus 4. This is a minus 25. 24. One answer, second answer. Still we have In between 2 also substitute. 8, 24, 18 plus 4. Okay, 22, 30 minus 24. 6. All y coordinates over. What are the y coordinates we got? In set 4, 24, 6. Set over. In this, which is least? This is how you got this 4 when x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is absolute minimum. Hence fx has absolute minimum when x equal to 0. Which is highest? 24. Where is that? Yeah. It has absolute maximum at x equal to 5. So you underline here, this is minimum, this is maximum. He is asking x values, not values. Suddenly if they ask values, you write 4. How you got this 4? When x equal to 0. 0, 5. What is question? It has maximum slope at x. What is x? Maximum he wants. Answer is 5.